Have you ever wondered how makeup products like lipstick and nail polish are made? Lipsticks are one of the best-selling beauty products in the world. The first thing that is made is the mixture known as the base of the lipstick. Its main ingredients are various waxes, oils and ethanol. All this is taken together and heated and mixed well. Next comes some special powder that helps make the lipstick smooth. Along with it, flavor is added to get the desired aroma. All these will be mixed for another 5 hours. How long the color stays on the lips is determined by the ratio in which all these ingredients are mixed. After mixing, it is time to add color. Depending on the color required for the lipstick, several color pigments are first added to a small batch of the mixer. Since there are many shades of the same color, each pigment is added by precisely measuring and weighing. After that, the mixture is kneaded a little. Now the proper mixing takes place. The mixture is then passed through the roller to ensure that the color is evenly distributed. The roller grinds it to the maximum and turns it into a creamy paste. So the mixture that comes out is put back into the roller itself. The same step is repeated many times. So the lipstick base mixture is ready. Now it is mixed with the rest of the liquid and heated. After mixing, a sample is taken from it, poured into the molds and cooled to check the quality. Once the color composition is confirmed to be correct, it is poured into trays containing molds and solidified. The thick sticks are pushed out and the plastic case of the lipstick is placed on top of it. Now the last inspection is done and the lipstick is fully in the case. After wiping them clean and capping them with a quality label, they are ready for packing. All of this will be packed and sent to stores around the world. Nail polish. Another important makeup item is nail polish. Its construction begins with colors. It takes several varieties of pigments and mixes them well with a liquid. A type of glue is also added to the nail polish to ensure it sticks to the nails. To check the color and quality of this mixture, samples are taken and tested over several weeks. Convinced that everything is accurate, nail polish is made in large batches. These are manufactured in large containers and will be connected to the filling machine. On the other side of this machine, glass bottles are kept ready to be filled with nail polish. These are released one by one through a conveyor belt. First, a metallic bowl is dropped into the nail polish to help mix it. But it is not mandatory that every brand should have this bowl. At the next station, these bottles are filled with nail polish. Now add a brush to help you hit the nails. Brushes with about 600 bristles come through a conveyor belt. These are taken in machines and put in 2 bottles. It is sealed by heat sealing plastic by pasting the cap and each color-coded label on the back. These are put into large packets and sent to the waiting hands. Foundation and eyeshadow. Another important item is powder like foundation and eyeshadow. To make these, small containers are first fed into the machine via a conveyor belt. As they go in, the machine itself picks them up and places them in each slot. It automatically fills the pre-prepared powder as it rotates and reaches the next station. It is taken under a press and pressed from above and below to form a block. A small piece of paper is used in between to prevent the powder from sticking to the press. Finally, after removing all the scattered dust, the block is pressed and released. When making makeup kits using these multicolored blocks, the factory workers themselves glue each one to the kits. How was the factory manufacturing of makeup products? Please comment below, and of course you can also report the manufacturing operations of the goods you would like to see. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.